Yes, hello YouTube. That's my Parrot MKi9200. Basically, it was pretty fine until last night. I did software update to version 2.2, and after that it's just useless. You know, it's rebooting every 30 seconds, and it's just getting freezed. You cannot do. You choose something, you're just trying to, yeah, and get freezed, so it doesn't react. So I wouldn't recommend to buy it. It's just another device which just causing the troubles, and it costs like £150 or something. So I don't recommend it. Cheers, bye.